Namaskar Elrigo. Hi to all Masala Mane family. I'm here to launch a new product which involves customization. From the day one, we have seen the requirement for customizing spice ingredients for this product. This product is very special for Masala Mane because each individual has his own recipe and taste for this product. So we have come up with customizing this product. We already given this customized product to few of our customers and taken feedback and changed accordingly to make it best. And before telling what is a new product, let me tell you why spices are so important. If you have been to South Indian houses, you will see at least 2 meals a day will have spice powders added to it. Spices add lot of health benefits, and to get the maximum health benefits, we have to consume spices at max, fresh, and good quality. Let me tell what defines masala mane. One is fresh. Masala Mana prepares spices every week in small quantity in order to give maximum fresh to the customers. And also this makes Masala Mana to eliminate preservatives completely because we are not storing and customers are using from the next day spices being prepared. Second, quality. So we have a store in Bangalore where people come visit our store, see the ingredients and also buy those ingredients. Let me tell what is the new product. So the product is customized sambar powder. So you will be knowing each sambar powder has its own taste and its own recipe. We can't even count how many number of recipes are there for sambar powder in India. For this new product, Masala Mana has given the power to customers to select the ingredients and also to select their spicy levels. Masala Mana wanted to give the taste that customer wants and retain the authenticity of their recipe. I hope everyone agreed that sambar powder prepared by our mom are the best and other product can't beat that taste because from the childhood we've been eating that recipe and we have been addicted to it. So we wanted to give the real mom recipe, that is your recipe. Let me go straight to the new product, how you can order, how you can build your recipe. The ingredients that need to be selected can be from your mom recipe or from your known friends which you would have liked the recipe. Now I will show you how to build the recipe for this customized sambar powder. You can go to the Instagram page and click on the link masalamoney.in. So that will take to the website and you can click on the more and you get a customized product. So you click on the customized sambar powder which is minimum 3 kg order. So now you can see you can just enter your name, email ID, phone number, address, and you can select the spicy level. You can make it less spicy, medium spicy, more spicy. Now select the quantity you wanted to order. So I'm just selecting 2 kg or 3 kg. So and now the masala made ingredients have been added. So we are given the customers to select the ingredients, or you can go with the default masala mane recipe. So now the showing is masala mane recipe on the right side. So in that also you can change the ingredients to be added or to be removed according to your taste and allergy. So now let us build your own recipe. So the ingredients have been listed on the left side and you can just drag it to the right side to build your recipe. So I'm just dragging few ingredients to the right side. So these ingredients can be your mom recipe or your friend's recipe which you would have liked the most. So once the recipe is selected, you can just go below, enter the recipe name. It can be your mom name or it can be your name, and when you order next time, and you just need to tell us the name of the recipe and we deliver it to you. Once the order is placed, we deliver the customized product within 2 to 3 days. Doubt or suggestion can message us. Hoping you would love this product and support us as always. Thank you.